I look for an ATM. I look for an ATM. I'm at the ATM. I'm at the ATM. I insert my card. I insert my card. I choose French. I choose French. I enter my PIN. I enter my PIN. I wait for the machine to process. I wait for the machine to process. I check my balance. I check my balance. I select Withdraw Cash. I select Withdraw Cash. I choose an amount. I choose an amount. I confirm. I confirm. I take my card back. I take my card back. I take the money. I take the money. I take the receipt. I take the receipt. I count the cash. I count the cash. I put the money in my wallet. I put the money in my wallet. I put my card in my bag. I put my card in my bag. I leave the ATM. I leave the ATM. Common ATM problems. The machine is out of service. The machine is out of service. Your card was declined. Your card was declined. I entered the wrong PIN. I entered the wrong PIN. The ATM keeps my card. The ATM keeps my card.